What's up, crackers? It is Pookie here. Welcome back to Guys Happy Garage. We are today gonna start making progress on the E90 build. Well, drift build, I guess is what you would call it. We are on the way to the good old-fashioned Harbor Freight and AutoZone as we speak, so that I can get some brake clean, some gear oil, and some cutting discs, because today we're welding the diff. We have made it to my favorite place. That hurt just a little bit. I can't turn the camera around. Gear oil, brake clean, cutting discs. $100 later, I believe we are ready to get back to my in-laws, because I don't have a big enough welder to weld the diff, and he does. So once again, it's not what you know, it's about who you know what I mean? I was driving. I was like, fuck, I forgot our TV. So I spun around. Something happened. No clue what it was, but something fucking happened. So we're looking at it at the same time now. What the fuck done happened? Don't forget, kids, if you jack up your car, don't forget to use a wheel chock. Let's see if I can get it to make the same noise. Yo, I'm legit shaking. I thought I was finna flip and go into a fireball like old Ricky Bobby. Is that an issue, or am I tripping? Y'all hear that? What in the fuck? I don't know why this one ain't spinning. Oh, that one's hard. Oh, God. Ah. Guys, that fucked something up. All right, let me call my dad. All right, y'all. So, as you can tell, it is dark outside. Oh wow, that's sick. Anyway, I am on my way back to the car because I called Dad, aka JoJo, and he brought me a socket and an impact, so I just swapped the wheels back around. Oh gosh. And it turns out that I fucked something up on the inside. I'm assuming everything to do with the parking brake or e-brake, whatever you want to call it. So now it is dark outside. I got to worry about tweakers, or really they got to worry about me because I got that file on me. But I'm on my way back there to take all the guts out and hopefully get it to start running again. Well, not run, but make it drivable again. All right, y'all. So we are now back at the Beamer. See if I can get the key out. Probably the worst parking lot I could have been in, because there's like, it looks better on the phone, just like every other time. I could have parked in that parking lot that's surrounded by lights. That parking lot that's surrounded by lights. There's a Lowe's right there. There's a Walmart right there. But no, I park in front of a fucking bank. I don't know. It is what it is. As you can see, I got my tweaker lamp on. Hopefully I blend in and no one tries to rob me. All right, car is in fact in the air. Still using my sweet wheel chunk, which is a Rockford Fosgate. So, I'll get back with y'all when I have the caliper off. And obviously the wheel has to come off before the caliper. And we're gonna look at the damage together at the same time. Anyone want these wheels? They're 20s. Let me know. Send me a picture of your butthole and I'll probably give them to you. I get this ain't the right tool, but this is a good thing about not tightening your shit right. All right, you guys ready? I would say possibly that's an issue. I'm no mechanic. Oh, that's supposed to be how I adjust it. Okay. Oh yeah, all that's fucked up. Gosh dang it. Let me I believe that's it though. Now that all that bull honky's up out of there, should be good now. All right, now you just do the same thing, just completely opposite. All right, y'all. We have in fact moved to the Lowe's parking lot because the bank parking lot, I don't know if they'll let me here. Tweak Daddy. Basically, the whole time I was doing that, there's like a speaker or something that is telling me, hey, leave the property or the cops will show up. And I was like, fuck. So I rushed through that. And yeah, so we're at a standstill until I can get the car back. All right, y'all. We are, dang it. All right, we are back. I'm in the Beamer again. Got some RTV this time. We're driving it. I'm not hitting brick walls, calling that good. Now, we're gonna finish welding that diff. All right, y'all. So, didn't show putting the car on jack stands because it was fucking scary as hell, but it works. So, basically, I'm gonna pull it out. We got this bolt here. And then, I believe that bolt there. Possibly another one on this side. I can't really tell. And then, we're pulling the drive shaft and the axles off. These are an E12 inverted torques. You know what I mean? And I reckon I'll get back when I got it out. You guys see that? No bueno. We gotta make that, basically, when you're welding a diff, some people just, weld right there, and there on both sides. But we're gonna do it the right way, and we're gonna throw a plate in there. It's hot out here, y'all. All right, y'all. Obviously, I done cleaned this with some brake clean. This is what you're wanting. This nice little plate right here. No, it's not welded. You want it to sit all nice up in there. This one, I tell you what, I can have a 1200 horsepower car and this cocksucker is not finna break. So, gotta make two of these. Two of them. engine. This guy right here. Blow for real. Blow for real. This is, once again, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know. I forgot to mention, do the two sides, rotate it, do those two sides, then go back and do the top. It keeps everything cool, and so it doesn't get distorted. I don't know how well y'all can hear me, but don't need to be the prettiest, just needs a hold. All right, y'all. Once again, big shout out. Oh, White and Dirty on YouTube.
Oh my God! What is that?
He, in fact, he's not a welder, but he's more of a welder than me. So now, I didn't mention, got to get all the slag up out of there, which I already did. If you look down here, that's a whole bunch of slag. Gonna go ahead and clean that out. So y'all, they recommend you clean this surface. I'm a firm believer that big wire brush just uses that to scam people. So we just caked it in some RTV and gonna throw this cover back on. All right, y'all, we're back out here at the car. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Just walked like a quarter mile, but spins freely with no issue. You're probably supposed to let the RTV sit a little longer, but fuck them. Now you just reverse everything. Oh shit, he hit that. God damn. Whoop. Almost got me there. Yeah, that was a little more scary than the first one. I really hope you guys can see that one. Oh, his lights turned off again. Joey, you really need to fix those lights. I could have swore you were gonna smack that fucking sign right there. Alright, y'all, so as you can tell, me and Joey, nowhere near drifters, but we're trying it. I got way too much body roll, and I also feel that my throttle response way too low. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.